Hey guys, it's Tanya, and here's the last video of my Poison Ivy costume creation series. Stick around to see how I transform myself into this beautiful yet grotesque maiden. An obligatory trip to the dollar store, and I found me this perfect little gem. I needed to get some girth for the hole coming out of my neck, so I created a ring out of hot glue, then layering toilet paper and latex. The ring is put into place, and I channel my inner golem. I spray painted the mop fibers green and dipped them into latex to create more of a viney kind of a look. Again, latex to the rescue. It makes a great adhesive for the vines. I have this cheap little makeup kit that I'm going to use the green for my eyes, and then I'm going to go over that with powder so the makeup lasts longer. So I've had these eyelashes for years and I haven't been able to find a use for them until now. However, they're so ginormous that I just had to cut off tiny little pieces on the ends so that I could use them. You bloody scab. How I love thee, let me count the ways. Here's a fun fact for you. Zombie blood is darker than vampire blood. I'm staring at my neck hole and I get this incredible urge to have cherry pie. A quick touch up and that went in my eye. I start to add the final touches and think to myself, Poison Ivy is still missing something. She needs a crown. With a bibbidi bobbidi boo, I will use hot glue. Behold the incredible Poison Ivy. One kiss creates certain death to any man she chooses. I was lucky enough to actually have 4 different events to perfect this costume. A bar where someone mistook me for a mermaid, my cousin's annual party, a crazy circus where someone mistook me for Eve, and my work party. However, this one is my favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.